Yo, what up, y'all? This your boy Boucher. I will be saying this. Sorry for I've been taking a good little minute from posting a video. Been a good little minute, you know, a lot of stuff going on. The hurricane, the corona, all that. Yeah. But today I supposed to be going to the place and getting my tent done. So my tent is not dark enough, so I'm heading out the house right now. This right here is my car. The tent, it's not done all the way. Supposed to be getting all the way tent. This gonna be 5%. It's gonna be 20 all the way around. So I'm gonna get my tent, so that's a big must. And then later on, I'm supposed to be getting my lights at the bottom. Supposed to be lights down here, over there. Back seat. Tent, Gucci. I'm digging the tent. And it's 20%, 5% in the bag. I got the little shade 5%. Digging this. So I'm pimped out to the whip.